Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Garmin Fenix 8. From its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Garmin Fenix 8, Garmin's traditional charging cable, and an instruction manual. If you are interested in the Garmin Fenix 8, don't worry, I have dropped the link in the description so you can grab it directly from Amazon. Charge your watch. To charge your Garmin Fenix 8, just plug the charging cable into the charging port of the watch at the back of the watch. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug the other end into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. Garmin Fenix 8 generally takes about 2 hours to fully charge from 0% to 100%. Set up with app. Start by turning your watch on and selecting your watch language. Tap the tick mark to connect with the phone. Then your watch will show you a QR code, scan it with your phone camera, and it'll automatically connect with your phone. Download and install the Garmin Connect app, then open it. If you already have an account, sign into your account. Add your email and password, then tap Next. Tap Connected. Then it'll show you a 6-digit code. Tap on Pair and you'll be paired successfully. Tap Next to set your schedules and goal. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin Fenix 8 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. Smart features. The Garmin Fenix 8 offers advanced performance features like Endurance Score, Visual Race Predictor, Pace Pro technology, Climb Pro feature, Grade Adjusted Pace, Training Status, Performance Metrics, Multisport Auto Transition, Hill Score, Daily Suggested Workouts, Recovery Time, Race Widget, Wrist-based running dynamics, Garmin Coach, and track your activities. The Garmin Fenix 8 provides detailed map navigation with built-in GPS and seamlessly integrating features like Outdoor Maps Plus, multi-GNSS support, ABC sensors, multi-continent topo maps, Next Fork map guide, Up Ahead feature, courses with turn-by-turn directions, SpO₂ maps, and golf course maps. Packed with smart activity functions, the Garmin Fenix 8 effortlessly combines with multiple features like track your activities, HIIT workouts, animated workouts, backcountry ski and snowboard, XC Sky Power, surf activity, and MTB Dynamics. The Garmin Fenix 8 blends seamlessly with health-focused features like Morning Report, HRV status, wrist-based heart rate, pulse ox sensor, sleep coach, nap detection, jet lag advisor, body battery energy monitoring, stress tracking, health snapshot feature, respiration tracking, hydration tracking, and altitude and heat acclimation. From the moment you wake up, get a readiness score based on your sleep quality 1, recovery, training load, and more, so you can determine if it's a good day to go hard or take it easy. Garmin connectivity. Built with seamless connectivity, the Garmin Fenix 8 effortlessly combines with multiple features like Garmin Messenger AP, smart notifications, music, Garmin Pay contactless payments, Garmin Share, safety and tracking features, Stocks Tracker, Connect IQ Store, and Power Manager. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Garmin Fenix 8. See you in the next one.